This is my 2017 330i BMW, and it's kind of boring. It's got your standard side skirts. Boring. It's even got your basic front bumper on here. It's just kind of, I don't know, boring. And you know what else it has? It's even got your standard fenders, or wings if you live across the pond. One thing I've always wanted is a M3 wagon, but we can't get that here in the States. So we're going to start working on this to try and turn this into something close to that. Who knows, maybe we just wind up M Sport, maybe we hit a 340i conversion, or we go all out, M3 conversion. I have no idea, but we're going to get started with the body work on this, and that involves taking all new body parts to the painter today. So let's go. So now we've got our bumper, front bumper from Keys Motorsports. We've got a whole eBay set here that is a front bumper and rear bumper that just did not fit, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. We've got side skirts here, we've got fenders here. We're going to get these in the truck and get them off to paint. And with that, it was time to get these things loaded, get them strapped down, and from there, well, now we're ready to go. Also, couldn't forget to grab a little piece of the car so that way the guys could help color match, but turns out this would just not be enough. So after a quick refuel, even with some help from my little one to get some more gas in the truck, we then made our 45-minute drive down to Kyle, Texas, where we stopped in to see the guys at 5 Stage Auto Works. Now that our new body panels were all set to get painted, all we had left to do was head home and wait. And the waiting part is going to be hard because I'm really excited to see this come to life. And if you're excited too, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the steps it takes to get this F31 to wherever we're going to take it. See you guys on the next one when we actually get to start installing that new front bumper.